Welcome to aminacademy.com. In fluid mechanics, let us do some solving problem regarding manometers. A single column manometer well type is connected to a pipe containing a liquid of specific gravity 0.95 as shown in figure. Find the pressure in the pipeline if the area of the reservoir is 120 times the area of the tube for manometer reading. The specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. Here given specific gravity of liquid in pipe equal 0.95. Therefore density equal 0.95 into 1000 equal 950 kg per meter cube. Now density of mercury equal 13.6 into 1000 equal 13600 kg per meter cube. Next, here the given things: area of reservoir by area of right limb equal 120 given. Now height of liquid H1 equal here 20 centimeter equals 0.2 meter. Then rise of mercury in right limb equal 40 centimeter, which is given 0.4 meter. Now therefore you can H1 and therefore you can say H1 equal to 20 centimeter, H2 equal 0.2 meter, H2 equal 0.4 meter. Now let PA equal pressure in pipe. Now the equation for well type manometer, that is pressure at pipeline is equal A over A H2 rho 2 G minus rho 1 G plus H2 rho 2 G minus H1 rho 1 G. This, by using this calculation, we can find PA equal A by A is 1 by 120 into H2 is 0.4. Here rho 2 13600 into 9.81 minus rho 1 minus rho 1 is 950 9.81 plus 0.4 0.4 13,600 into 9.81 minus 0.2 into 950 into 9.81. This calculation will do now. Here first we'll do 0.4 divided by 120 equal 0.0033. Now 13600 into 9.81 equal 133,416 minus 950 into 9.81 equal 9319.5 plus 0.4 here 13600 into 9.81 equal say 1333416 minus 0.2 multiplied 950 into 9.81 equal 1863.9. Now further we'll calculate this one 0.0033 into 133,416 minus 9319 and 319.5 equal 409.51845 plus 0.4 into 133,416 minus 186.3.9 equal 52620.84. Let us add both 409.51845 plus 52620.84 equal 5303.36 Newton per meter squared, which is equal 52134 53030 Newton meter square, which is equal 5.303 Newton per centimeter square. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.